I've gotten a ton of requests for measurements for the push bar bracket that I made in my recent video. So I measured up a spare one that I have, and here are the dimensions. These holes are all going to be 1/4 inch. This first one in the corner is 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch in. The entire plate is 6.5 inches wide. Then I started the miter at 1 3/4 inches up and cut it at an angle. And it's going to be 4.5 inches wide here at the top. It is 7 3/4 inches tall from top to the bottom. This hole here is 7/16 of an inch from the top. This hole is in the center with that hole right there. Just draw a line up the center. These holes in between these lines are 1 9/30 apart. 1 9/30 from here to here. 1 9/30 from here to here. And that one is 3/4 of an inch down from the top edge. This hole is 2 inches from this edge to here, and from the bottom edge is 1 15/16 to the center of the hole. This hole is a little lower, 1 5/8 from the bottom to that, and this is the center of the plate, so that's automatically in the middle. These are 1 1/4 inches apart. That one is again 2 inches from the edge in, 1 15/16 from the very bottom edge to the center of the hole. And this is very important. You must use cap nuts on the back side of your bolts, because this will come very close to the ceiling when it pivots, and it may rub the ceiling just a little bit. You cannot have the sharp ends of the bolts, otherwise you may scrape the ceiling and rip the ceiling fabric. But if you use these, that's not an issue. These are called cap nuts. These will not damage your ceiling. You must use these. That way you will not damage your ceiling. When you stick your bolts through, those will be like that, and these will not tear up your ceiling. They are very smooth. All right, enjoy. Hopefully this mod helps you out, not banging your head on the seat on the headbanger bar, which I nicknamed it. Happy camping.